Hey, what's up guys? This is a video to show you uh, that if you have a defective screen on the iRulu Max 3 Geoking 3 Max, in this case it broke, the touch wouldn't respond. I got a replacement, but it's not from iRulu. I couldn't get anywhere a replacement for the iRulu. Instead, I had a replacement from Doogee the Y6 Max. I ordered it from China on eBay. It's for the Doogee Y6 Max, and it's a perfect fit. Just works fine. Nothing wrong with it. It responds to everything. Very easy to change. There's several tutorials on YouTube. You can look it up. That's it.